Right, moving on, all eyes are on the grand Bollywood wedding of Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal. The wedding festivities kick off from today at Six Senses Fort Barwara Hotel in Rajasthan. The venue is all lit up for the couple to tie the knot. Several celebrities are arriving in Jaipur to attend the big fat wedding. Those spotted at Jaipur airport include director Kabir Khan, actress Neha Dhupia with her husband Angad Bedi, actresses Minnie Mathur and Sharvari Wagh. Singer Javed Ali also reached Jaipur as he will be presenting a Sufi-themed performance at the ceremony. In fact, what we're also told is that there would be different musical themes for different occasions. The Sangeet Day theme will be Sufi, Haldi Day will have 90s music and DJ music, and the big wedding day will be fully Bollywood.
The biggest wedding of the year in Bollywood is of Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal, to which we are reporting here in Rajasthan, outside the fort where the venue has been decided. This is the Six Senses Fort where all the ceremonies of wedding is going to take place, and in fact this entire fort has been booked by Kaif and Kaushal family. As you can see, under the high security maintenance, as we can see, nobody outsider is allowed here, only the invitees. And in fact even if the guests, those are coming in, their RT-PCR are negative or their fully vaccination certificates are also being checked, looking after the COVID protocols. But here, very importantly, the day is of Sangeet, wherein Times Now early in the morning gave our viewers the first information that the theme of the Sangeet is going to be Sufi, to which Javed Ali singer will be providing his voice. He has arrived here with his team, and the entire team today has already prepared for many Sufi songs, on which one of the songs Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal are also going to perform in the evening. Vicky's family and Katrina's family is also going to perform on those songs. But here the theme of Sufi was chosen by Katrina Kaif herself, and very importantly, themes for all the different festivities, for all the different occasions, for all the rituals are going to be different. Here at the fort, right as of now at the venue, director Kabir Khan along with Neha Dhupia along with her husband Angad Bedi, and many more celebrities have already reached, to which many more names are still expected to come at the venue. And also it will be very interesting to see that when right now I can hear a few of the music behind me, the rehearsals are already on. Then till evening, the light and the area will be full of the Sangeet scenario over here at the Rajasthan. With journalist Sanjay Ranjish, Shivani Mishra reporting from Rajasthan.
B-Town lovebirds Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding has been the talk of the town for the past few weeks now. If you remember, E-Times was the first one to inform you that the star couple will be tying the nuptial knots on December 9th in Rajasthan. And now the D-Day is just right at the corner, and various reports related to their big fat wedding are coming in now and then. Interestingly, the couple is yet to share screen space in a movie. Still, they develop feelings for each other, leaving fans wondering how their relationship blossomed. Shedding out some light on their love story, it is believed that everything started on Karan Johar's popular chat show Coffee with Karan, which played a Cupid in their love story. Back in the year 2019, while replying to one of the questions posed by Karan, Katrina confessed that she feels her pairing with Vicky Kaushal would look really good. Later, when Vicky and Ayushmann Khurrana came as guests on the show, Karan shared Katrina's statement with the actor. After hearing that, Vicky was quite surprised and acted to faint. Later, they again met on a popular celebrity chat show, which is considered as their first in-person meeting. In the chat show, the couple was seen getting familiar with each other, talking about their family, friends, and the experience of working in the entertainment industry, and so on. And ever since, the speculations about their relationship sparked up. However, the couple never made anything official and kept their relationship under wraps. Meanwhile, speaking about the much-awaited royal wedding, Vicky and Katrina's wedding festivities will be held from 7th to 10th of December at the Six Senses Fort Barwara in Savai Madhopur district in Rajasthan.